तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आपको मेरी पहली वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस। टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट बेटर, आई एम टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल। सपोज यू हैव बॉट अ बुक फ्रॉम अ शॉप फॉर ₹100 and you have sold this book to your friend for ₹150. Now, ₹100 is your CP and ₹150 is your SP. CP means cost price and SP means selling price. Now, why this is your CP? Because you have bought it from a shopkeeper for ₹100. You have gave the cost of ₹100 to buy this book. That's why this is your CP. And why this is your SP? Because you have sold it to your friend. That's why this is your SP. Now, that means we have profit. So, profit is equal to SP minus CP. Here SP is equal to ₹150 and CP is equal to ₹100, and 150 minus 100 is equal to ₹50. So you have a profit of ₹50. Now suppose you have sold to your friend B for ₹70 this book. Now you have a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Here CP is equal to ₹100 and SP is equal to ₹70. Now 100 minus 70 is equal to ₹30. Now if you find your gain percent, your formula is gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100 is equal to, our gain is equal to, in gain we have a profit of ₹50, so we will write 50. CP is a ₹100 into 100. Now 0 और 0 कट गए. 50 into 1 is equal to 50%. Now your gain percent is equal to 50%. Now if you have to find your loss percent, your formula is loss upon CP into 100 is equal to, now here's loss is your 30 upon 100, CP is your 100 into 100. Now 0 और 0 again कट गए and your 30 into 1 is equal to 30%. Now your loss percent is equal to 30%. Friends, now we are going to do some examples. Now friends, this is our example and now I am going to do the solution. Here's our CP is equal to ₹18,000 because we have bought the Almirah to a shopkeeper for ₹18,000, and our SP is equal to ₹19,710 because we have sold this to a friend B. That's why this is our 19,710. Now ₹250 is spent on transport. ₹250 is spent on transportant. Now our total CP is equal to ₹18,000 plus ₹250 is equal to ₹18,250. Now our gain is equal to SP minus CP is equal to SP is our 19,710 minus CP is equal to 18,250 is equal to rupees 1,460. Now our gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100 is equal to gain is our 1,460, CP is our 18,250 into 100. Now 0 और 0 कट गए. If we divide 5 by 1825, our answer will be 365 and this will be 2. Now if we divide 1460 by 365, our answer will be 4 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8%. Now we are going to do example number 2. Example number 2. So I am going to do the solution. Our CP is equal to rupees 18,000. Why this is our 18,000? Because the money we spent is known as CP, and our SP is equal to rupees 17,640. Why this is our CP? Because we have sell it to another person by rupees 17,640. Now rupees 1,600 is spent on its repair. Now our total CP is equal to rupees 18,000 plus rupees 1,600 is equal to rupees 19,600. Now loss is equal to rupees 19,600 minus 17,640 is equal to rupees 1960, and our loss percent is equal to 1960 upon 19600 into 100. Now 0 और 0 कट गए, 0 और 0 कट गए, 196 और 196 कट गए, and 1 into 10 is equal to 10%. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग ने प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के कुछ फॉर्मूला समझे, गेन परसेंट लॉस परसेंट के फॉर्मूला समझे और कुछ एग्जाम्पल भी लगाए. आप इन सारे एग्जाम्पल्स और क्वेश्चंस को घर में ज़रूर सॉल्व कीजिएगा, और आगे के 2 एग्जाम्पल हम लोग पार्ट 2 में आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिएगा. थैंक यू.